All right, welcome to Deuk Spine Institute. I'm Dr. Deuk Majan, CEO and founder. And our patient presents to us all the way from Canada, where she's been living with back pain for 2 years, more than 2 years. But the pain has been shooting from her back all the way down her leg. And we have diagnosed her with two problems. She had 2 herniated discs that were causing back and leg pain, but also she has a piriformis muscle syndrome, which is where the muscle in the buttock gets torn from bending wrong, and then it just causes horrible pain in the buttock and down the leg because the sciatic nerve runs right through that muscle. Henry, let's show the audience what piriformis syndrome is and how we fix it while we get started here.
Of course.
A piriformis muscle tear can cause lower back pain and sciatica. A piriformis muscle injury causes a tear, in which piriformis muscle inflammation causes back pain. And also, piriformis muscle inflammation may cause sciatic pain. The best treatment for piriformis muscle syndrome is the Deuk piriformis release. From there, the piriformis pain is permanently eliminated. The advantages with the Deuk piriformis release is that it's an outpatient procedure, which would take up to about 30 minutes. Minimal bleeding and pain after the procedure with an immediate recovery and return to work the next day, as well as a 99% success rate with permanent pain relief with a single treatment. For more details, please visit our website at www.deukspine.com or call us at 1-800-FIX-MY-BACK, 349-6922.
Back, you can see from our video that once you tear your piriformis muscle, it just doesn't ever heal itself. The only way to get it to heal is to lay in bed and not move for 3 months, and then maybe it'll heal. It's much better to come in for a 10-minute procedure at Deuk Spine where we can do a release and get rid of that pain permanently for you, like we're going to do for this young lady. All right, we were just working on her piriformis, and she was tensing up so bad because this is really painful for her. Any questions from our audience?
At this moment, no. We just got a comment, 2 comments. The first one is coming from Stuart on Facebook. Following up with their last question about anterior discectomies and posterior discectomies, saying, I think Elon Musk had an artificial disc replacement in his cervical spine, and it went bad, so he had to get a fusion. From what I recall, the richest man in the world, even that went bad for him.
Yeah, you're right. I actually have a video out there on Elon Musk and his neck surgery.
Yeah, I'll put it in the chat.
Yeah, so you're right. Elon Musk did have artificial disc, and it went bad. But the problem is nobody knows about our little company and what we're doing. And now you do. But, you know, the reality is everybody thinks, oh, I've got to have spine surgery. I'm going to go to New York and I'm going to go to Cedars-Sinai and whatever, you know. They're the best. The reality is those very famous medical places don't know how to do the most advanced treatments. All right, let's see here. There's the femoral neck. She's fine. I'm just trying to get my anatomy down. There's the femoral neck. And here's the top shot. Shot. All right, so it's just one of the worst piriformises I've had to release. It's so bad. Shot. Very, 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 yeah, very scarred up. I feel like a massive amount of scar tissue here. Shot. Trying to release it right off the head here of the greater trochanter. Should be done in about a minute. 1 minute. You feel it? One minute. Any other questions?
No current questions, so we do have another comment coming from Pawn Lust on YouTube.
That should be it. Yeah, sure, I'll take Pawn Lust.
Saying, thank you. I think it would be useful if people were more open about such things, following up on their last question. It's no secret that everyone will have some health issue eventually, given that we're not immortal.
Yes, I agree with you, Pawn Lust. Well said. We all gonna have health issues as we go through life, and it's always good to know the very best place to go for your problem. And Deuk Spine is that place when it comes to back pain, neck pain. We do the most advanced, best outcome surgeries in the world. They're also the least invasive and the fastest recovery. Thanks for joining us. We're done for the day. We've wrapped up the day with 5 very big surgeries. 3 of them we broadcast. 2 of them were in our non-broadcast room because we don't have camera system in there. But Henry, you did a great job. Everybody did a great job today. Thanks so much. We'll see you in 2 weeks.